Yazi bafethu, yazi there's a lot eningawulwazi and there's a lot that is going on kwilento kule murder case and eningayazi. One thing I have discovered is that Uyanus Walush was never a trained assassin. You understand? He was never a trained assassin, that guy. Ne? Kwisin ya lento ka Chrisani. There's some witnesses kwisin ka Chrisani which came forward to say that Uwalush had an accomplice who was there kwisin. You understand? Le mysterious man engaziwa. You understand? This mysterious man engaziwa umuntu. And you know what happened? The state intelligence of government, the state intelligence of the apartheid government, raided the homes of the witnesses. Ababete, they will come forward and state ukuthi they saw someone else who was on the scene with Uwalush. You understand? So now, given the fact that this guy, ama credentials wakhe doesn't align him with ilentoza USSR as nisho ukuthi wa trainwa khona for ukuba assassin. It shows one thing, ukuthi this guy is a bait. This guy is a bait. He mustn't continue lying because already vele we are way past. Akakhuluma iqiniso ukuthi who killed uChrisani. And that's one of the most mysterious murders we have. And you know what? Kuzoba easy ukuthi ukambele omunye umuntu amanga. You understand? Kuba easy ukuthi ukambele omunye umuntu amanga. Uthi hayi usibanibani knows. Yabo nje manje there's few words awashilo. Our pointing ngisho nanokuthi uZuma was involved. It says uZuma visited this guy elentuzeni ejele, and then after ejele he said he wanted to help us. Ukuthi ngani he doesn't say. Uyabo? And in most cases amalento uyabo ifana lento ncamashini nalento abayibiza ngokuthi yini ama prophecy ka lento ka Nostradamus. Nostradamus akayisho into straight. He says there will be beast and this beast will have 7 what which you have to connect dot. Now that thing doesn't make sense. Let's go back to this guy and akhuluma ukuthi umthetho wakhona who killed uChrisani and what happened really ngalolo suku. Who is this mysterious man this man is protecting? And the state that was willing ukuthi he protect this mysterious guy that was with him kwilentoza kwisin. Akakhiphe those guys which were on the scene. Okay, anyway, that's just my 2 cents worth. Anyway.